Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best ladders for cleaning gutters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Recade 6.5 feet aluminum telescoping ladder. This is an excellent budget option priced at just $76.99, making it the most affordable pick on our list. Despite its lower price point, it's packed with features that make it a solid choice for household use. Thanks to its 6063 high-strength aluminum alloy construction, the ladder is both sturdy and lightweight, weighing only 12.09 pounds. It also has a load capacity of 330 pounds, so it's more than capable of handling most users. The design includes non-slip feet and double hooks for added stability, making it safer when used indoors or outdoors. It's compact and portable, folding down small enough to store under beds or in cabinets. However, its maximum height of 6.5 feet may limit its versatility for taller tasks, like reaching high gutters or roofs. It's ideal for light-duty work such as organizing high shelves or cleaning windows. For its price, the Recade 6.5 feet ladder offers great value, but its limited height is a drawback for more demanding projects. If you're looking for a simple, budget-friendly ladder for basic household tasks, this one is worth considering. Just bear in mind its height limitations. Coming in at number 4 is the Vertical Pro Folding Telescoping Ladder. This ladder strikes a fantastic balance between affordability and functionality. Priced at $85.99. With a maximum height of 12.5 feet and a compact folding design, it's versatile enough for a variety of tasks like cleaning gutters, accessing attics, or even working on RV roofs. Built from durable aluminum, it's rust-resistant, lightweight, and easy to transport. Performance-wise, this ladder is incredibly user-friendly. Its anti-slip collapsible design ensures safety during use, and the folding mechanism allows you to set it up or stow it away in seconds. It's the lightest among the mid-range options, weighing 22.1 pounds, while still supporting up to 330 pounds of load capacity. The compact folded size makes it perfect for storage in tight spaces, such as closets or car trunks. The pros include its height and portability, but it lacks some advanced features like stabilizers found in higher-end models. Additionally, with only 14 customer ratings so far, its reliability over time remains to be seen. Overall, the Vertical Pro ladder is a great choice for those seeking practicality and durability at a reasonable price. At number 3, we've got the Recade Telescoping Ladder 10.5 FT. This ladder is a step up from its more budget-friendly sibling, offering a higher maximum height of 10.5 feet while maintaining the same robust build quality. Priced at $94.10, it's a mid-range option that delivers excellent stability and portability. Constructed from 6063 high-strength aluminum alloy, it's durable yet lightweight, weighing just 17.6 pounds. One standout feature is its independent locking mechanism for each section, which allows for safe and customizable height adjustments while preventing accidental contraction. The non-slip feet and ergonomic handrail design make it safe and easy to transport, and it folds down compactly for storage under beds or in car trunks. The ladder is ideal for multi-scene use, from household tasks like cleaning gutters to more adventurous applications like RV roof access or outdoor camping setups. While it offers great versatility and safety features, it's not as tall as some of the premium options on this list. For those seeking a reliable ladder for everyday use and occasional outdoor projects, the Recade 10.5 FT ladder is a worthy contender. Taking the runner-up spot is the BOCOM 12.5 feet aluminum telescoping ladder, priced at $99.99. This ladder excels in stability and durability thanks to its large diameter aluminum alloy tubing and two triangle stabilizers that reduce wobble by up to 36%. With a maximum height of 12.5 feet and a load capacity of 330 pounds, it's perfect for a wide range of tasks, including gutter cleaning, roof repairs, and pruning trees. The ladder's adjustable locking mechanism allows for 1-foot increments, making it highly flexible for different heights. Safety features include textured steps and anti-slip feet, ensuring secure footing even on uneven surfaces. Weighing 23.6 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some competitors, but the integrated handle and Velcro strap make it easy to transport and store compactly. The added stability and premium build quality make this ladder stand out. However, the heavier weight might be a downside for those prioritizing portability. If stability and versatility are your top priorities, the BOCOM ladder is an excellent choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the BOET Telescoping Extension Ladder, 12.5 feet, the premium option on our list. Priced at $119.99, this ladder delivers top-notch quality and features that justify its higher price point. Crafted from superior aluminum alloy, it's designed for long-term durability and has been rigorously tested to ensure a reliable performance. With a maximum height of 12.5 feet and a load capacity of 330 pounds, it's the ultimate tool for both home and commercial use. One of its standout features is the inclusion of a carry bag, work gloves, and a user manual, making it a complete package for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its telescoping design allows for easy storage and transport, while the independent locking mechanism ensures safe and precise height adjustments. Weighing 24.6 pounds, it's slightly heavier. But the superior build quality more than compensates for this. The BOET ladder is ideal for demanding tasks like repairing roofs or pruning tall trees, as well as everyday applications like cleaning gutters or decorating interiors. Its higher price might be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers, but for those seeking a premium ladder that checks all the boxes, BOET is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.